Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin now. Gather your current password, backup 2FA device, and recovery email. Open the app or website, sign in, and go straight to Settings or Account. Once there, choose Security or Password Change to start. Make sure any login codes are visible on your phone or Authenticator app. This prevents lockouts. Don't delay. Taking these steps immediately reduces time with risky sessions and prepares you to update credentials securely. Now, craft a strong password, 12 or more characters mixing upper and lowercase, numbers, and symbols. When prompted, type your current password, then paste or enter the new one carefully. Watch for caps lock. If the site warns about strength, adjust length or add uncommon characters. Once accepted, make sure to update your password manager and save any new recovery codes shown on screen. These steps protect you and make future logins faster and safer. Finish by confirming any verification email or SMS. Click the link or enter the code. Then sign out of other devices to force fresh logins. This prevents old sessions from staying active. Test the new password immediately on another browser or device to confirm success. If something goes wrong, use your recovery email, backup 2FA codes, or the account support form to regain access. Troubleshooting tip: if you're locked out, try recovery on a trusted device or network first. It often works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.